please.
Okay. Go back.
Room 1.
I'm in a Zoom hearing.
They say he was saying people. I collected. Okay.
Okay, we're live on YouTube. I just got the paperwork for Jarman on my screen.
All right, did he click to sign?
I got 720670 on my screen.
Yes, Judge.
So we're good. All right, Mr. Jarman, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. You see the screen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name Donald Jarman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Donald Jarman who in this cause number 720670 who's charged with the offense of indecent exposure? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment can be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. I'm going to, Suzanne, is that background noise coming from you?
It is not, Judge.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out where it's coming from. If it can be muted.
They muted.
Okay. Now I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
I do, Your Honor.
Are you a citizen of this country, sir?
That's correct, Your Honor. I am.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed this document, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
I do, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of indecent exposure, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
I do, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Besides a plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this of your own free will.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. We've agreed to a $0 fine, court costs, 115 days on the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. We ask the court to take into consideration cause number 723488, which is a criminal trespass case, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms. Kramer?
Yes.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Jarman?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And Mr. Jarman, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sent you to 115 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 723488. That means that case will be dismissed and returned for your plea in this case. If this is the only case holding you, you should be released sometime today, sir. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can't tell you exactly when, but it'll be sometime today. I'll ask the district attorney to please submit that dismissal to me so he doesn't get held up because of it. Okay?
And Judge,
Yes,
I
sir.
just wanted to put on the record, since this will be Mr. Jarman's second indecent exposure conviction, It does carry a 10-year sex registration. I have informed him of all of the ramifications of that and how to register and what he needs to do to make sure he timely registers. I just wanted to make sure it's on the record that he was so informed.
Okay, the record will so reflect. Thank you, Suzanne.
Thank you,
Okay,
Judge. May I
thank
be
you.
excused?
You can be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
And
ahead.
someone has to say the magic words.
Turn off YouTube and thank you, Suzanne, for letting him know.